guys, this is Margarita, your girl from Go Dominican Life. Another beautiful property here in Sosua Ocean Village. This time I'm going to show you a 2-bed, 2.5 bath, and it's finished or almost finished and ready for you to take over. So why don't you come on in? So this beautiful house is a very nice and large living room with sliding doors walking out to a beautiful deck and a pool. All the floors you can see throughout, inside and out, has coral stone, which is beautiful and high-end. The kitchen consists of a beautiful big open kitchen and an island, and it's finished with quartz countertops. Really beautiful. Next to the kitchen you have a pantry and laundry area, large enough to put in any extras and to put away some stuff, which is good. And then on the other side of the house, you have 2 bedrooms, and each with their own suite, and then a separate half bathroom. Like I said, it has beautiful coral stone throughout, and also all the woodwork is beautiful hardwood. And both bedrooms are equipped with an AC, which is of course perfect. Then the bathroom ensuite is beautiful and large. And then on the other side, well, in between, you have a half bath, which is good to see. When visitors come over, you don't have to let them into the rooms to show you, to go into the rooms to bother if there's somebody sleeping or whatsoever. So this bedroom also has a walkout to the pool area and everything. Has AC installed, and then a very nice and large walk-in closet and bathroom. Really pretty. And then also the best for last, like they always say. We'll go out for a minute so you can see the pool area. Beautiful large deck with a big pool. The water is not in there yet. They're still constructing a bit around it, but it's almost finished, the construction. So we'll be very quiet once everything is done. Plants have been positioned, so it will grow very fast. And, you know, like you see, it's a nice and large yard. So this was it for this beautiful home. You know what to do. You can check all the details about the property and the price here below in the link. And you can give us a like, of course. And don't forget to subscribe and to share with all of your friends. Bye.